health care, when you hear Chelsea Clinton say, as she did this week, that you want to dismantle Obamacare, dismantle the Children's Health Insurance Program, dismantle Medicare, dismantle private insurance.
I know, leave millions and millions of people out there with no health insurance at all. I've only been spending my entire life making sure that as many people as possible get health insurance. That is just an unfortunate statement that Chelsea Clinton made. But here is the story on health care. There is one major country on earth that doesn't guarantee health care to all people. We have that's the United States of America. We have 29 million people uninsured. We have 29 million people who have no insurance at all, even more who are underinsured, and yet we end up spending far, far more than any other country on health care. We pay the highest prices in the world for prescription drugs. The Affordable Care Act, which I helped write, which I voted for, supported, has done some good things, no question. But we have got to go beyond that. We've got to join the rest of the industrialized world. Healthcare for all is a right, and we can save the middle-class families thousands of dollars a year in their healthcare costs.
Your plan for health insurance relies, if we look at your 2013 legislation, relies on the governors implementing a lot of this. The Clinton campaign would say they didn't implement a lot of portions of the Affordable Care Act. Why would they implement yours?
Not accurate. Our plan says, yes, we want it to be decentralized. We want the states to play an active role. Read our legislation carefully and what it says. If the states don't go forward, the federal government will. This is more like the ACA, the Affordable Care Act's health exchange program, not Medicaid. This is a 50-state program guaranteeing health care to every man, woman, and child as a right.
We have just been through 7+ years of debate over health care. It got pretty ugly. It got pretty ground down. Is the country really ready for another fight of that order, which would probably happen if you put your...
John, no one has ever heard me say that this is going to be an easy struggle. You're going to have to take on the private insurance companies who make billions off of health care, pay their CEOs exorbitant salaries. You're going to have to take on the drug companies. The three major drug companies made $45 billion in last year in profit while charging us the highest prices in the world. This is not going to be an easy fight. So here's a promise. We will not pass Medicare for all on the first day of office. Got it? I promise that. That will not happen. It's an ongoing struggle. It is a vision consistent with people like Franklin Delano Roosevelt, Harry Truman had said. Healthcare is a right for all people. We have got to have the courage to take on the insurance companies and the drug companies. It is going to be a tough political fight. I don't deny it. But to say that I'm going to dismantle the entire healthcare system, that is just not true. We're going to guarantee healthcare to all people as a right.